Hi all, welcome to Tech Pro Begin. This video is the second part of solving Java 8 programming question using Java 8 Steam API and functional programming. If you have not seen that video, I would recommend you to see that video. You can find the first part video link in the I button, also in the description. So here, without further delay, let's start the session. As you know, it has been almost 10 years since Java 8 was released, but still interviewer definitely asked to write a code using Java 8 Steam API and functional programming during an interview. So in this video, we are going to see commonly asked Java 8 programming question on custom object and step-by-step answer to those questions. In the first part, we have applied Java 8 Steam API and functional programming on predefined data type like integer and string. But in real-time application, we deal with the real-time object that we call as a custom object. Here real-time application means like bank application or e-commerce application like Flipkart and Amazon, etc. And many other applications that we use in our day-to-day life. Let's talk little on bank application. As we know, bank application is very vast application. So in the bank application, we can have many sub application like loan project. In loan application, we can have a home loan, personal loan, mortgage loan, custom loan, and again there is a many kind of loan. One more sub application like account. In account application, we can have a saving account, current account, student. So here for opening saving account, we need to provide detail of the person who want to open an account in the particular bank. Everyone familiar with the bank application. As you know, when we open a bank account, whether offline or online, we need to provide a certain detail like customer name, address, mobile number, and what kind of account you want to open and other detail as per the application. So here, as per the business domain and functionality, we do create a custom objects in real-time application. So as part of this session, we will apply Steam API and functional programming on custom object. So without further delay, let's visit to presentation and start the session. This presentation we can see, let's see some difficult custom object scenario based coding question. So till now we saw predefined data structure, means predefined data types. We apply Steam API on predefined data types like a string, integer, like that. Okay, but in real time we get the custom object like this: department, employee, discount. These are the some kind of custom object. Okay, so in real time we get the scenario like we got the list of employee and we need to do some processing on top of that custom object list, custom list. So how we'll do that? Okay, so that also we can do. We can apply streaming there for smooth processing and for compact code and more readable code. So how we'll do that? That we are going to see now. And these are the some critical question or difficult question. Such question generally asked to experienced candidate who has more than 3 to 4 year experience. Okay, let's go to let's see. So here as part of custom object, we are going to have employee object which has a 4 field like employee ID name, department ID, and salary, and we have a argument constructors. So we are preparing. So in the next PPT we can see we have this given list of employees. So we have prepared 4 employee. Okay, so in employee ID, employee having what field? Employee ID, employee name, department name, the employee belong to, and salary. So in the same way we prepare this. Employee ID is 1, employee name 1, department is IT, and salary is this. Just like for other employee we have filled the data. Okay, so let's see the question. Find out how many employees are there in each department and return the list of each department. Okay, so let's consider the below is the list of employee. So these are the list of employee. From this list of employee, we need to find out the list of employee available in each department. So how we'll do that? Let's go to IntelliJ and see. Okay, so in the answer, at least in the answer we expect like this. Okay, CS having 2 departments. See, employee ID 1 belong to IT department and employee ID 8 belong to IT department. So in IT department we expect employee ID 1 and employee ID 8, and in the CS department this CS employee ID 3 belong to CS department and employee 9 belong to CS department. So for CS department we expect employee list will be 2, and those employee are employee ID 3 and employee ID 9. So we expect the answer like this only. Okay, jump to IntelliJ IDE. So first I need to get the list of custom object, then only I can apply streaming there. So for this I created one employee model object with the same field which have shown in the presentation, and we have argument constructor, and in the same class I have prepared the one employee list. Okay, this employee list, and this employee list we have prepared the 4 employee object, like, okay, which are available just now we saw in the PPT. The same way I prepare here as well. So I need to get this list of employee so that I can apply streaming there. So in employee object there is just a static method. From this static method let me return the employee list, and let me add a comment. In the question they ask how many employee lists are available in each department. Find the list of employee of each department, So let me get the employee list. Okay, already we have a list. We need to convert into stream. Okay, and stream as part of first step, so we expect like this. Okay, so here again we are going to use, means on the basis of department we need to find the list. So no in the for DB operation, if you want the list of thing on particular field, then we apply group by there. So just like that we are going to use group by to find the list of employee for a particular department. So let me collect is the terminal operation, and in collectors we can use the group by, and group by on the basis of what? On the basis of department. So for this department, and collect into to collection, here we expect like list. Okay, I think with this we'll get a result. Okay, let me collect this result. Okay, list, why I'm getting grouping by employee ID here. Okay, this not expected. Okay, let me collect this department EMP list. Let me print it. Let me run to validate the result. Okay, why I'm giving this for collector? Okay, one race is missing here. Let me run it. Okay, let me, for more visualization, let me add here result like. Okay, so this is the CS employee belong to, then this second employee, then this third employee, then this second employee. Okay, so here for this CS department we got 2 employee. See, this is the array. Okay, CS employee list, and for IT department we got this list, employee ID 1 and employee ID 8. See, employee ID 1 and employee ID 8. For CS we got employee ID 3 and employee ID 9. So we got the expected answer. Okay, I think let's jump to next question. How to find out how many employee count are there in each department? So in the previous, the question is similar, just like a previous question. So in the previous question the ask was department who has a list of employee. Okay, now here the ask is we need to find the count of employee for a particular department. So in the answer we expect like this: CS having 2 employee, IT having 2 employees. Just I think I can easily just copy it as it is, because the question is very similar. At one place only need a change. Find the count of employee instead of list, count of employee of each department. So here in the EMP count, let me print it. Oh shit, let me print it quickly. So here at one place only change needed, like instead of list, no need to collect into list. Instead of list, we need to counting of employees. So in the collector we have a counting. Okay, so if we change here counting, so here we'll get the long value, not a list. So long. Okay, let me run it. Cool, we got the access. CS department having 2 employees, IT department having 2 employees. So here we got the result like this. Okay, jump to next question. How to find the employee who has a maximum salary? The question complexity got increased here. Okay, here we need to find out the employee who has a maximum salary. Okay, so given list of employee. Okay, so here to solve this question, we need to sort the employee. We need to sort. So here we need to understand step by step how we'll solve this problem. Okay, so to solve this, first we need to sort the employee, means we need to get the list of employee in descending order. By what? By salary. We need to get the descending order employee list by salary, because in the question asked like employee who has a maximum salary. Once we get the descending order list of employee by salary, then from that list we can find the first employee with the help of find first intermediate operation. Let's see step by step. Okay, first we need to get the sort the list of employee in descending order by salary. So here, so once we applied sorting on the basis of salary, okay, and we here as part of this we got this result. So employee ID come first, because why? Because employee ID 9 has a maximum salary, and that is a 1500. Then second highest salary is 1200, that is employee ID 3. Then third, then fifth is fourth is employee ID 8 has the lowest salary, 800. Okay, at the next step we need to find the first employee from the previous sorted list. Okay, and that is the first employee is employee ID 9 who has a 1500 salary, and this would be our result. So in the result we expect employee ID 9 as a result. So jump to IntelliJ IDEA and solve the question. So I have already EMP. Let me add comment. Find employee who has maximum salary. Okay, so need to EMP list, then we need to convert into stream, then in stream what is step, we need to get the descending order. So you know, in stream we have a sorted method. So we need to sort on the basis of what? We need to sort on the basis of salary. Okay, so here we need to pass comparator, you know, comparator, and what is salary data type? Let me check. Salary data type, I think double only. Salary data type is double. So here we need to pass comparator, we need to comparing double. Here we need to pass employee, and here on the basis of what we need to sort? On the basis of salary. So salary get, why I'm not getting, okay, double, this is a method reference, get salary. Then we need to collect result into list. Okay, but here but we have applied sorted. and we pass the comparator, and for comparator, for sorted method we inform we need a sorting on the basis of gate, but sorted method by default provides sorting by in natural order. So here let me tell you, let me validate sorted emp list. Let me print it quickly. See, we got employee ID 800, then 1000, then 1200, like so. We got the employee list here in ascending order, not a descending. We got the here employee list in ascending order by salary, but we want in descending order. So here we need to inform to our sorted method, I want result in descending order. So with this we will get the descending order list by salary. Okay, let me, for more visualization, let me copy it, let me add it, let me to, so this is the first, then oh sorry, then this, then this. So I think we got the expected answer as per the PPT. Yeah, so employee ID 9 come first, 3, then 1, then 8. So employee ID 9 come first because employee has maximum salary. Okay, so we got the, we are good with the first step. Now from second step, find the first employee from the previous sorted list. Okay, so we need to here so here we need to get the find first. Okay, find first. So find first employee. So if we find first, so for this step we have this answer. Okay, let me copy it properly. Copy this for this step. We got this, and from this, okay, in the answer we want the who has a maximum salary, means we don't need, no need to send the list of employee. We want a single employee who has a maximum salary. So here no need to collect into result, just for demonstrate I shown you how that sorting is coming there. Okay, so for this step we got this answer, and from this we need to find the first employee. Okay, and for this step first employee, then we need to collect into get result and this, and for this step is get employee. Find first is I think already okay, I think get only. Why we are getting error here? Because here we assign the list of employee, but here as part of this step we will get the single employee, not a list of employee, because in the question also they want the single employee who has a maximum salary. EMP max salary. So from this step we are fetching first employee only. This step we will get this answer, and the same we are passing to next step. So here let me print this, let me run it. We expect employee ID 1 who has a maximum salary, and that salary is 1500. Cool, we got the expected answer. Let's match with the, yeah, this is the answer. I think you are super clear. So here you need to understand one thing. So for sorting we need to inform to our comparator, I need a sorting on the basis of particular field. In earlier predefined data type, no need to inform to a sorted method, because in predefined data type itself is a single data type, but custom data type always have multiple field. Okay, so here we need to inform to sort it. For custom data type we need to inform on the basis of what you want sort. So here we inform to sort method, I want sorting on the basis of salary. Okay, that's the reason we added here. And you know, comparator always helpful. So if you want sorting on the basis of different field, better to go with the comparator, not the comparable. So if you don't know how in what scenario comparator we need to use, in what scenario comparable use, so that is itself is a big topic. If you want more clarity, please let me know in the comment. I will try to create a detailed video and share with you guys. Okay, let's jump to next question. How to find the employee whose salary is the second highest salary? Okay, question again is more little tricky. So here the employee given employee list would be same. So question is very similar like a previous question. Here, how to find the employee whose salary is the second highest salary? In the previous question the ask was highest salary. In the now this question the ask is second highest salary. So I think the solving approach of this question and previous question would be same. So here again the same way we need to get the employee descending list by salary only as part of first step. In the second step, in the question asked is second highest salary. So in the second step we can remove the first highest salary employee. Okay, that is the employee ID 9 who has the highest salary, that is 15,000. And from this once remove, then from the remaining list we can find the first employee with the help of find first intermediate operation. Okay, and so in the answer we expect employee ID 3 would be the result. So jump to IntelliJ ID. I think we can copy as it is this, because the question is very similar. At one place only change is needed. Find the employee who has a second maximum salary. Employee second max salary. Let me print it. So till this point our logic is same. Now here we need to add one more step. Okay, so we need to skip first highest employee, because in the question asked is we want second highest employee. So we need to skip first highest employee. So here as part of this step I will get result like this. So from this, with the help of this expression, I will remove this employee ID 9 will not have in the result. So as part of this step, now we have only 3 employee, and from 3 employee we are finding the first employee, and that would be our employee ID 3. This would be our employee ID 3. And from this the same we are passing to next step, because with the for find first we will get the optional. Okay, so for optional I apply the get method to get the actual object. Okay, so I think you already aware what is optional. Optional is something to check whether, means optional is a container which maintain the value. Okay, if value is present then we can get the value. If value is not present then it will return the something empty kind of thing. Means optional we use in Java. Optional we got one feature as part of Java which to check null checking and all that. Okay, we can avoid the null pointer exception with the help of Java optional. So let me validate. If you don't know like how the optional work, what is optional, please let me in the comment. I will try to create a video on that as well. Okay, so employee ID 3 has a, so in the answer employee ID 3 who has a second highest salary. So we got the expected answer. I think you are super clear how to solve such custom data type question with a stream programming. Okay, jump to next question. How to sort employee with name and then department. So question is straightforward. First we need to sort the given employee list on the basis of name. So
In the given list, employee ID 1 is employee name to employee 1, employee ID 3 name is EMP 1, employee ID 8 is EMP 3, employee ID 9 is EMP 4. So we need to sort on the basis of name. That is the second parameter of our constructor. So on the basis of name, first we need to sort, and then we need to apply sorting on the basis of department. So here you need to understand why two sorting. If employee ID, if multiple employee having same name, then department sorting will get apply. If multiple employee ID having same name, then only department sorting will have importance, otherwise it will not reflect. Because if multiple employee ID for all will have unique name, then department sorting will not apply. Because so in employee ID 1 and employee ID 3 having same name, so here you will finding some changes when we apply department sorting. Let's see step by step, you will get more clarity in the presentation itself. So let's sort the MP list with the field name, employee name first. So whatever available given list, the same we got the result like this for this step, because employee name already sorted in the given list as well. Okay, now so employee ID 1 and employee ID 3 has a employee name is same, so here you will find the change in next step. Once we apply department sorting in this list. Okay, let's see. So apply employee department field sorting on the above list. So once we apply, so employee ID 3 come first and employee ID come later. Okay, because employee ID 3 and employee ID has the same name, so after apply department field sorting, it swapped. Because why swap? Because sorting get apply on the basis of ASCII value, because string character if you apply sorting in the basis of ASCII value, because C has a less ASCII value as compared to I. So C come means employee ID 3 belong to CS department and employee ID 1 belong to IT department. So employee ID 3 is a CS department, so C come first. C has a less ASCII value as compared to IT department. So C come first and IT comes later. So in the result we expect like this only. Okay, let's go to IntelliJ IDEA and solve this question. So here you need to understand, guys. Okay, if multiple employee name has the same employee, then only department field sorting will have importance, otherwise it will be a same like. Okay, it will be a same result. Okay, let me add sort the employee with name and then department. Okay, so convert EMP list into stream, then we need to apply sort. So it is a custom data type. Okay, so we need to tell to our sorted method sort the employee on the basis of what? On the basis of comparing. It takes string data type. So as per the question, first we need to sort on the basis of name. So employee object, then here we need to provide name. Once we sort it on the basis of name, then okay, here as again we need to apply then comparing. Again we need to sort on the basis of okay, comparing, again employee ID, then get department. Then once we do that, then we need to collector to list. So here okay, so let me tell you. So as part of this, on the basis of name, So we'll get the result like this. Let me add this as part of this step. As part of this step, we will get result like this. So employee ID 1 come first. Then again this employee ID 3 will come at second place, and employee name 3, EMP name 3 come first, EMP1, 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 like this step. Now as part of this step, then comparing on the basis of the department. Comparing on the basis of department. So here as part of this step, employee ID 1 and employee ID has the same employee name. Okay, so as part of this statement, it will sort on the basis of department, and in IT department should come after the CS department, because CS later come first, means CS later come before I. So here swapping will need it. I think you are super clear. Okay, so we expect the result like this. Okay, let me collect this. Let me collect this EMP sorted EMP list with name and department. Let me print it. Let me see we got the expected result or not. Let me do this here. See. Okay, so first, second and third. So employee ID 3 come at first place, employee ID 1 comes second place. So we got the expected answer. Okay, so I think you are super clear. These are the little tricky questions, how to sort a custom employee using sorted method, and how we apply then comparing and all that. So you need to understand. Okay, so these are the tricky question, and generally such question asked to experienced candidate only. Now jump to next question. How to find highest paid employee in each department? Now question is more tricky. Now here ask is, we need to find the employee who has a maximum salary in each department. So if you see, so we need to find here each employee maximum, each employee who has a maximum salary for each department. So like in first step, we need to get the list of all employee. Okay, and as part of second step, in CS department, who has the maximum employee salary, that you need to find. Just like in IT department, who has a maximum salary, that also we need to find out. So as part of result, we expect like this: find out the maximum salary employee of each department. So in the answer, we expect like this: CS department employee ID 9 has a maximum salary, and that maximum salary is 1500. In IT department, employee ID 1 has a maximum salary, and that maximum salary is 1000. Okay, then how we'll solve this question using Java Stream API? Let's go to IntelliJ and let's see. So here let me add comment. Find employee who has maximum
salary in each department. Okay, so EMP list stream converted into stream, so that we can apply stream functions and all that. Okay, and so in the ask, like okay, we need to collect on the basis of okay, department. Okay, so we need to collect so so here we need to collect, we need to use collect, we need to group by. On the basis of what group by we need to do? On the basis of department. So here, and collect into collector to list. Let me print the result around this only. Let me print it. Okay, let me print as it is. How it comes, let's see. Okay, collect CS. Okay, so here as part of this result we got something like this, ascending order only. If you comment this, so first employee, second, third. So here we got the department ID list. So as part of first statement we got the list like this. Okay, we got the list of employee in each department. In CS department we have 2 employee. Okay, and IT department we have 2 employee. We got the expected list as per the first step. Now here we need to find the in CS department who has a maximum salary, that we need to find out. Okay, so here again as part of this so from this list we need to find who has a maximum salary. Okay, so let me copy this here and this here. Let me copy this only. Let me print it. So from this list we need to find the maximum employee. So in collector we have a collecting and then from this list we collect and we are doing further operation. Okay, so here on the basis of now here we need to find the who has a maximum salary. So here again we need to pass collector max by on the basis of what? On the basis of salary. So here we need to pass comparator dot comparing double. Why I taking double? Because we need to compare, we need to find the max on the basis of what? On the basis of salary. So here employee get salary and this max by return optional. Not this return optional get. So if optional get means we are getting single employee, not a list of employee, means we are getting employee who has a maximum salary.
Okay, so if I print this, let me add some user candy employee department emp max salary. Okay, let me print this. Let's see we are getting expected result or not. Let me, for more visualization, let me add here. Okay, CS, in CS department employee ID 9, 1500. In IT employee ID 1 who has a 1000 salary. So we got the expected answer. Cool. So I think we solve. Let me see any further question. No. So this way we have solved the Java 8 programming question. So we have solved we apply the Java 8 streaming on predefined data type as well as custom object. So if you are getting any confusion, you are not able to understand any question that we discuss, please let me know in the comment. I will try to answer those I will try to solve your queries. Okay, so just I wanted to inform that I have created the article on Java 8 programming question and solve those questions using Java Stream API and functional programming, and I have added the same link to video description. So I request you to bookmark that article in your local browser, as because I will be keep on adding Java 8 programming question and answer in the same article. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Tech Pro Begin. And next week I am planning to post new Java related videos. So if you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will be notified about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Tech Pro Begin. Let's meet in upcoming video.